Hey guys, this is Philippe at Beringer Brakes USA. So now you ask, what do we do for the rear brakes? Well, we do 6-piston calipers, 4-piston calipers, and small 2-piston calipers if you have a custom bike. The most popular is the 4-piston. Our 4-piston mount on the bike with special brackets like these or like this monster here, and we mount them above the swing arm, always above the swing arm. Why? Because our stuff is made in Europe. In Europe, they're allowed to park on the sidewalks, and the sidewalks can be high. If you have the caliper hanging underneath, you could hit it, you could bend the bracket, you could scratch the anodizing, you could ruin your caliper. In the US, it's not the case. In Europe, they have to put the caliper on the top, always. So if you're looking for an underslung situation, you have to go with an aftermarket bracket for a radial mount caliper. We do not offer that. So our solution is always on top. So most popular 4-piston, it's very strong billet caliper. It'll give you plenty of power. You can also go with a 6-piston. It will have the same mount, and it'll give you a ton of power. And it's really big. So if you're into skidding the bike and spinning donuts and stuff like that, this might be a solution for you. This here is our little current Softail and Lowrider S caliper. So it's got a hanger part here that goes onto the lug on the swing arm and a location bracket here that goes over the axle. This is very popular. Actually, it goes like this. It stops you on a dime. It's very popular right now. We have a bit of a hard time keeping them in stock because it works so well. So this is also billet. Everything we make is billet aluminum. We don't do any cast, we don't do anything. Everything you get is top of the line. Some of the brake manufacturers have different qualities of brakes. The price runs from $200 to $800 a caliper. Our calipers are top of the line. That's it. There's one quality, the best. So this is what we do for you, always above the swing arm. And of course, then that limits you to the stock size rear brake disc. If you want an oversized rear brake disc, you have to go underslung with a radial with somebody else's caliper because we do not offer that. But this will give you plenty of braking power.